Welcome to episode 1 of a new series I came up with called Free Fix It Friday. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Matt and I run the channel Fix Anything, Save Money, where I upload videos on DIY repairs and also tool reviews, tool tutorials showing people how to use different power tools. And I started this channel about 2 years ago with the goal of what you're watching right now, where I go into people's homes and I perform repairs for free. People that are living on fixed incomes, people that are living paycheck to paycheck. So the whole goal was what you're seeing right now, this very first video, almost 2 years after the start of my channel. So an elderly woman called up. She said that her dryer would turn on but would not start. So I went right over. I saw that there was an error code F on the display panel, and that indicated a faulty control panel. So I bought the part online for, I think it was around $130. Came there 2 days later when the part came in, and this is me swapping out that part, trying to get her dryer back up and running. So like I said, the whole goal of this channel is what you're seeing right now. I want to do these repairs once a week, but in a perfect world, I would be doing these repairs every single day for people in my community. There are tons of elderly, single moms, everyone living paycheck to paycheck. I want to be able to go into these people's houses, perform these repairs for free for them, because a lot of these people, something goes wrong in their house and they have to choose between doing this repair or affording food for the week. And it really breaks my heart when I see a lot of the different situations that people are in, and this is my way of kind of giving back to my community. But in order to do it even more, I really need your guys' help. I need you to just watch this video. That helps a tremendous amount. YouTube and Facebook, all those platforms are such powerful tools, because just watching the video generates revenue so I could continue to do this. Also, if you just like the video, comment, subscribe to the channel or follow the channel. I'm going to try to be doing this once a week more if these videos catch on. And I'm also going to be putting links in the video description and in the comments that's going to take you to affiliate links that I do earn a commission on. Doesn't cost you anything extra, but they're going to take you to tools that I recommend every homeowner, even if you live in an apartment, even if you live with your parents, tools that everyone should own so you could perform your own repairs and get started saving money. So you can see we got this dryer back up and running. And yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting. We'll see you next time.